Hi, everybody. Hope you had a wonderful Christmas. Our weather pattern certainly warming up in all places away from the gorge. The gorge is showing warming. I'll show you that in a moment. We have a strong weather system coming in tomorrow on Tuesday, and there's a whole fistful of new watches and warnings for that storm. We're talking wind at the coast, wind in the valley, right on the borderline between freezing rain and rain into the gorge itself. And I'll show you that. But I tell you, if you're just sitting around your house, scrolling through, checking temperatures in our area, it continues to be quite an amazing display of the power of east winds coming out of the Columbia River Gorge. So check this out. So right now it's coming up on 10:30 in the morning. Portland's at 40, east wind still out of the gorge. Salem has a south wind of 16, and they are 59 degrees. We'll call it, 19 degrees difference, almost 20. And then there is a 20-degree difference if you look at Vancouver, Pearson Airfield along the Columbia, east wind at 39. So can you imagine you're driving in your car, the windows are down in Salem. It's raining, but it's almost 60. And then you get out toward the gorge, and with the temperature of 39 in Vancouver, the wind chill factor more like in the mid-30s. We're seeing warming Hillsboro's of 55 degrees. So for the most part now, the cold air is only immediately near the gorge, and other areas have really warmed up nicely. Okay, I mentioned to you that we have a whole fistful of new watches and advisories, and they include the following. Here's the National Weather Service watch warning map all lit up, and what you're looking at, the purple color in the gorge, ice storm warning. This is for freezing rain in the central and eastern gorge starting at 4, in effect today actually through 4 a.m. tonight into Tuesday morning. But today, at least for part of the day, Hood River is probably going to get up just a little bit above freezing. I'll check these temperatures in a moment. So, maybe that's not that bad, but needs to be watched, obviously. High wind warning at the coast. Now, this doesn't start until tonight at 10 p.m. and goes all the way through tomorrow. The headlands could see winds as strong as about 80 miles per hour. Many of the beach locations could see south winds gusting to 65. And then the wind advisory for the I-5 corridor, that's this tan color from Eugene all the way up into the Kelso-Longview area. Again, this starts later tonight at 2 a.m. So overnight tonight, and again through the day tomorrow. We're talking about south winds gusting 35, 40, 45, and maybe a few spots get up to 50. Again, that's strong enough that we typically would see some power outages. So we'll keep that. This article, if you want to read more about this, is under my weather headlines on the hamburger menu on my weather site, portlandweather.com, and also on the app. Okay, I promised you gorge temperatures. Here they are. I'm not sure if that's correct. I'm guessing it's not. I think the Cascade Lock system is not working because if you look at the ODOT camera, it's 34. Yeah, 34 degrees in Cascade Locks. 32 in Hood River, 34 in the Dalles. So again, a warning for freezing rain, but temperatures are going to be right there. It's probably going to be a mix of rain in some spots and freezing rain in others. We'll keep an eye on that. Here's the latest 7-day. So today it's just rain at times. Much of the area will hit 50. Maybe east winds hold on and keep the immediate gorge areas in East County only in the 40s, maybe only low 40s today. But most of us will be closer to 50 and better. It does look like the south wind, with the stronger south winds coming tonight into tomorrow morning, that this will finally be the weather system that completely scours out the cold air in the gorge and everybody will warm up. In fact, Hood River could be easily in the mid-40s tomorrow. And that's the way this works. We forecasters almost always warm it up way too soon. The bottom line is it takes a system with a strong enough south wind to plow into the gorge and defeat the east wind flow. And it looks like this system tonight and tomorrow will finally do that. I do want to talk about rain totals. So, from last night through going into this evening, we could pick up an inch of total rain. And then we get heavier rain coming down this evening, overnight into tomorrow. And that could be well over an inch. So we're certainly talking about 2-day rain totals here in Portland at maybe 2.5 inches. The coast could see 4 or 5 inch rain amounts out of this. There is a warning up in Wycombe County in Washington for the Grays River, which is pretty common. So far, the majority of the other streams, including Johnson Creek, are projected to stay just within their banks, but that could change. Certainly by Tuesday, afternoon and the evening, we could have high water spots. Wednesday and Thursday, everything really quiets down. Now we've got just more typical showers. Temperatures kind of normal, 41, 47, 42, 48. The next system comes in on Friday, the next stronger system with some heavier rain amounts. And then this timing is barely holding on. But right now it looks like there's a chance that there at least won't be too much rain this upcoming holiday weekend on Saturday, New Year's Day. In fact, right now I show the chance for some dry weather with the next weather system in on Monday. But I may be being a little overly optimistic. Some of the modeling showing there's probably at least a chance of rain, but nothing big over the holiday weekend showing up right now. Okay, that is your update. Again, hit the subscribe button if you haven't done that. If you like these videos, tell your friends about it. Thanks for using my YouTube channel. My weather site's portlandweather.com. My Facebook is Portland Weather as well. And enjoy this federal holiday, the day after Christmas. I'll talk to you soon.